Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this Silvercrest for your personal care. It is a rotary saver with a precision cutting system and with a dual ring saver heads. Leon technology, constant high performance, operating time 60 minutes, charging time 60 minutes, battery or main operated. If the battery runs out, simply plug in and immediately continues to use. IPX6, protected against powerful water jets and with a 3 years warranty. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Ooh, there it is. Nice, I like it. It feels very nice in my hand. I like this black mat around, the silver plastic, this texture style at the front, the silver button. It looks great. The protective plastic for the head, it goes here. Let's see what else we have at the box. The power adapter, output 5 volt, 1 amp, 5 watt power consumption. And the cable, it is about 1.5 meters, very long, I like that. With a bag, you can have your rotary saver inside the bag with a charger, travel bag, and it can go anywhere because it is battery powered and you can have it on your vacation, wherever you're going. And with this brush inside for cleaning the head. Nice. And of course we have in the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. The protective cap, just pull and remove the 3 spring mounted rotary saver heads that perfectly adjust to the contours of your face. The detachable blade system, it is easy to clean under the running water, and then you can clean it if you want with a brush. And just press and it locks again. At the back we have the pop-up trimmer for flexible styling. Nice. The on-off button, obviously. 1 speed. And we can see and the battery capacity here, this blue icon, it is in full right now. It has a travel lock function, prevents the saver from switching on accidentally when traveling. Just press and hold the on-off switch. The lock is on. As much as I pressing the on-off switch, it doesn't work. Press and hold again to unlock. It's flashing, that means it's unlocked. And on. Nice. Definitely, I like it. It has an ergonomic soft touch grip for comfortable and safe handling. And of course here we have the connection for charging this rotary saver. Let's plug it in. We have the red indicator. It's charging right now. Inside it has a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, 700 mAh, 3.7 volt, for cordless use or main operated thanks to the direct drive function. And it takes about 60 minutes from 0% to 100% to fully charge. Nice, I like it. Well, let's use it. The length of my beard is about 3 millimeters. Nice, I like it. It's very smooth my skin. I have no cuts from the shaving and no skin irritation. And the pop-up trimmer is doing a good work trimming my sideburns. To be honest, it is a little bit difficult to see at the camera and aim correct. I don't have a mirror in front of me. And it is very easy to clean under the water, just remove the heads. And it's working perfectly. Well guys, that was all about this rotary shaver from Silvercrest. It is a great choice. Shave yourself anywhere at any time because it is a battery powered. You can have it with you and use it when you are traveling, for your vacation, wherever you want. It is easy to clean under a running water without a problem, and after finish shaving yourself, it will give you a smoother skin. It cost about 20 euros. I think it is a value of money. The price is very low. It has a comfortable grip. It looks great and it feels great at my hand. It comes with a bag, travel bag. You can have it with you anywhere and at any time you can use it. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know whom you need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.